Hello guys, one more video here with Blue Star Air Conditioning. I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you how to clean your vents. This is my return vent. There's a lot of dust in the vent. So I use my vacuum. After you change the filters, sometimes the grill it gets too dirty. So it's good to have a vacuum, and all you do is just vacuum like this.
Pretty loud.
See the difference here? A lot cleaner here.
This is
This is my house, by the way. I'm using this MERV 13 to MERV 11 filters. They're 3-inch deep, so they go 3-inch deep into the grill, and then you only change them every 6 months. And that's why my grill is so dirty, because I haven't changed my filter in about 4 months. And so I just wanted to clean the grill because it looks ugly.
So, you're saying that you didn't clean this in 4 months?
Oh, by the way, let me see the phone. She's the one that's recording me, but she's awesome. Her name is Anna, and she also has a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel?
Anna and more.
Anna M World. And then, yeah, she's awesome.
So you didn't clean this in 4 months?
I haven't cleaned this in like 4 months. Don't tell anybody. Only the YouTube community should know this. But, all right. Thank you guys for watching.